Casey Matthews is planning on the Eagles defense getting off to a much better start than they did a week ago.
Well, obviously, we had to go off. Definitely was a little frustrating. First play was a touchdown, but once we run off sideline, get the adjustments, knowing where to line up, it was just miscommunication by the linebackers and safety. But once we got that down, they tried to run that play a couple more times, and we shut it down. Basically, for each play, you just gotta forget about the last one, move forward to the next one. And I feel we do a good job of that.
The Eagles linebackers are expecting the Falcons to attack them directly.
I think you look forward to the challenge. You always look forward to the challenge. You fear nothing when you're out there. So that's how I can go out there and stop the run and improve every week. We won the game last week. That's the main goal. Win every week, and that's what we're looking to do this week.
At the NovaCare Complex with the Eagles, this is Gary Cobb for GCobb.com.